to write the prices of the items that I bought and the places where I bought them from. It's easier for me because this helps me to calculate my profits when I'm doing my spreadsheets, so I know how much I bought the item for and how much profit I would make after calculating shipping and selling costs. Hello everyone, this is Relm from my goodies store, and today I went to the Salvation Army because on Wednesdays they have 50% off, and I got a few things. I spent $26, and I'm going to show you just a snippet of what I got. This first thing I'm going to show here, this is the brand, I'm not sure of the brand, but it's called Tennis. The size is small, and it's like this is a chambray top. It's like a denim like look, but it's like a lighter denim. It's very lightweight, and I got it because of the snap buttons. Because of the snap buttons right here, and because of the back. The back is very nice. The back is very nice. It has the fringe, this cut, so it should do well because these tops are very popular right now. These are what's in fashion, what everybody's wearing. Then the brand is called Styling Company. The size is medium, and I got it not because of the brand, because the brand is not very popular. It does sell, but it's not really popular, but I got it because of the style. I like the style. The style was very nice. And then you see the arms. So sometimes I would pick up an item even though this brand is not very popular, but if the style is right, if I say it's, oh, that's a nice blouse, then I'm gonna get it. If I say that's a nice blouse, or that's an ugly blouse, that's an ugly jacket, I'm gonna get it because it may be ugly to me, but it's stylish to somebody else. Then I picked up this purse. It has this Christmas look, and the brand is Capelli, and it was new tag. New tags. They sell it at Nordstrom. Get the camera to focus. And somebody could easily rock this to a holiday party, to a Christmas party. So that's nice. And I also found a St. John. So St. John is considered to be a unicorn to many, but it's not really a unicorn to me. I like when I find it because I found these so many times. So anything St. John's, Basic St. John's, Evening St. John by Marie Gray, those, you pick them up. And this is called a Santana knit. See, it has a little snag here. So even if I sell this for $30 shipped, I would have made my money back spending $26. And another thing that I got, this brand is called Lululemon. You recognize it by this symbol. It's a very popular athletic brand. The only downside is the size tag was cut out, but I do measure my items and I will figure out what size it is. I did get many other things, but this is just a snippet of what I get. So sometimes, a lot of times, God always gives me favor, and I find some really good things. So today was a very good day. I just wanted to add a sales update to this video that I previously uploaded from the mini haul that I had Wednesday when I went to the 50% off at Salvation Army. One of the items that I bought, it sold already. It sold last night, Saturday, which was December the 1st, and I wanted to show you guys. Remember, I spent $26, and this item sold for $35 plus $7.99 shipping. That's the St. John with it had a little snag. It had a little snag on the waistband, which I did disclose, and it sold last night. So not only did I make my money back, but I made a little profit, and I still have many of the things that have not sold yet. So because of this selling, so everything else that will sell after would be pure profit. And I think I bought this for, it was $5.49. So half price, I think it was $2.75. So we did very well on this one. And if I didn't say this before, if you see St. John Basics, St. John Evening, St. John by Marie Gray, they are very good brands to pick up because they retail for sometimes $500, $1,000, $2,000 up. It's a very good brand to resell. So if you ever find St. John, not St. John Bay. St. John Bay is a different brand, but St. John is a very good brand to pick up. So this is what I wanted to add to the video. Thank you. Let me know down in the comments if you ever had an item that sold very quickly that paid for your whole haul or shopping trip. Let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching. You guys have a great day or evening. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.